Right, Under the Wings 82, part 7 video here. I've been doing a more dot drawing on the portrait, and I've also been deliberating what to do all around here, and I'm not going to go into that because okay, what was that from? I have to think about that. A famous movie from around late 1930s, maybe. The Wizard of Oz, I think. I'll have to check on that. Because. All right. Very hot today. One of the birds is taking an afternoon nap. Je comprends. Entiendo, I understand totally. Yes, indeed. It's pretty warm in here. Might be low 90s outside in Seattle today. Thankfully, not as hot as so much of the rest of the United States and Canada. Mexico for sure, but American news, they never report on Canada, aside from fires. They don't report on Mexico at all, weather-wise. And Trump, of course, in the news has been now threatening tariffs on Canada because of the fires. He has never retracted his claim that global warming is a hoax. Never mind all the people dying all over Europe, Britain, elsewhere, and around the United States from catastrophic storms, fires, hurricanes, tornadoes. It goes on and on and on. He's completely oblivious. All right. Okay, I think it's looking pretty good. Okay, we'll call it un jour, un dia, pour maintenant, pour ora. A day for now.